people, you are welcome to my kitchen. Mama Kwaba, we are still on our challenge and I want to believe you have not given up. Yes, very soon you will see the difference. Today on our menu we are going to have some noodles. Yes, keto noodles, and you are going to love this. I mean, on keto diets, one of my favorite meal is keto noodles because it tastes so real, just like the noodles we have out there, and so you will not regret giving this a try. Okay, let's see the ingredients we are going to use. The main ingredient is pure noodles, which is keto version. I'll leave the contact of the person selling it so you can contact her. You can also use slim noodles, so when you contact this person, she can get you either slim noodles or pure noodles. Okay, we are going to make use of black and white pepper, some mixed spices. We are going to make uses of cabbage and lettuce. For me, when it comes to noodles, I like vegetables. I want more vegetables in my noodles. We are going to make uses of onions, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, and spring onions. Also going to make use of sardine, our salt, some gizzard, sausage, and 2 eggs. I have a blended mixture of onion, ginger, garlic, chili pepper, and some natural mixed spices like inketin, also dry thyme. And so we are going to use this to steam our gizzard a bit. Okay, first thing we are going to do is to steam our gizzard. I've washed everything nice, even the eggs. I've given it a very good bath. And so I'm putting everything in. I'm going to add my blended ingredients to it. A bit of salt, white pepper, black pepper. I'll add my mixed spices to it. Okay, so I'll stir everything together. Yes. Now add a bit of water to it. So I'm going to take it to fire and cook it for it to be very tender. Yes, okay. So we are done steaming our gizzard. It's ready now. Okay, so the next thing we are going to do is to work on our noodles. We are going to pour the water on it out and then also wash it with cold water or tap water. This is it. This is the water. There's water on it. You are going to get it out, and then we are going to pour, and then we are going to use tap water to wash it very well. So that's what I do. Just rinsing it very well. Pour this water away and then rinse it again. So giving it another rinse. And this time around is okay. I'll just pour the water and set it aside. So the next thing we are going to do is we are going to stir fry our gizzard a bit. The oil I'm using is coconut oil. I'm going to cover it for a minute. Okay. You have to be very careful with the oil at this time. I'm going to lower it. So at this point, I'm going to whisk my eggs. Now you can decide to slice your sausage into pieces and add it to it and fry it. Whisk it very well. I'll add a bit of my mixed spices to it. I'm not going to add salt to it. I'm going to pour the whisked egg into my pan plus my gizzard. I'll just stir because I don't want it too big. So just like a scrambled egg form. I'm going to stir everything. At this point, I'm going to add all my noodles to it and stir fry it very well. With these noodles, you don't need to cook it before you use it. Just wash it very well and then stir fry it, and that is all. Fry this for about 2 minutes. I'm going to give a bit of salt solution to it. I use salt solution a lot because the salt I'm using is sea salt. So then I'll cover it for some time. Okay, I'm going to add my sardine, the oil, to it. And stir very well. So at this point, I'll add a bit of onions to it. I'm not adding much onions. I'm also going to add my cabbage to it. Yes, I'm adding everything. Stir fry it very well. I don't want my veggies to be tender, and so I'll stir fry the cabbage a bit. I'm going to add my bell peppers to it, and the rest of the onions. I'll give it a bit of black pepper, white pepper, my mixed spices, then stir fry everything together. Yes. You see, it's looking all sumptuous. You love this. It tastes so good. Keto noodles, properly, yes. Give it a try. Slim noodles will do the job, and also pure noodles. Very nice. Okay, I'm going to add my spring onions. It doesn't take long for it to cook at all. You can taste and see if the salt is not okay. You can give it more salt. So I'll taste and see if the salt is not enough for me. I'm going to just sprinkle a bit of my salt solution on it, and that will be okay. Okay, when I tasted, my salt was okay for me. I'm going to add my sardine to it. Yes. Okay, so we are done now with our noodles. Yes. Okay, so we are going to fry our sausage. As I said, you can decide to cut them into pieces and add it to your noodles and fry them together. But I want to fry sausage alone. Okay, so our sausage is all ready. It's ready. I'm going to take it out now. Okay, so I'm going to serve myself something. Wow, looking all beautiful, awesome. I'm going to add my lettuce to it. I'm just trying to take the black part from it. Sorry. Okay. And then Just any size you want, you can tear them into that. I'm taking the hard part from it. Now just lay it there. Just lay this also here. Not tearing again. Lay this one also here. And then lay this one over here. I'm going to add my sausage to it. Yes. Oh my goodness, you will love this. And I'm going to add my green chili pepper sauce. I have a recipe on green chili pepper sauce. I'll leave the link there for you to watch. Okay. I'm going to do some keto drink and add it to it. And this keto drink is all about your flat tummy water. So this is my flat tummy water. Just get your flat tummy water and then pour it into a glass. Add your lemon to it. Okay. Add your apple cider. I'm just adding 2 of the lid to it. And I'm going to add my sweetener to it. This thing is nice, so this drink, you try it. Okay, so this is it. Okay guys, so this is it for our challenge today. Please, if you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing. Don't forget, you need to add exercise to it. Drink a lot of water, and don't forget your flat tummy water also. Share the video, like, and leave a comment. Don't give up, you will soon get there. Thanks so much for watching. Your subscription is very important. Bye-bye.
Send me straight the way I'm my man. I saw me boo, my name is hey, yeah, me not don't say. Send me straight, say to me.